Guys, welcome back to our channel. A lot of you guys have been requesting more videos about our waxing kit. Summer is just around the corner and I know all of you want to be with silky smooth skin. So today I will be showing you how to use the LLBA is waxing time waxing kit to effortlessly and conveniently remove all the unwanted hair. So let's get started. So in today's video, we're gonna be recording how to wax properly the eyebrows and the upper lip. So I'm gonna be using the LLBA Pro Kit. First step is cleaning the eyebrows. What we're doing is just removing any oils, makeup, anything that is not gonna allow the wax to work properly. The first step when I do waxing is I like to design the eyebrows before waxing just to make sure I stay on place. Then with the eyebrow pen, I'm gonna kind of do the design of the eyebrows first. What I'm doing right now is kind of like giving a shadow to the just the outlining that I did, so I kind of know where I'm gonna stay when I do my design. And now we're gonna hold it in our stick. So you're gonna go first down, and then slowly you're gonna start dragging the wax so it gets the hairs. This wax is very flexible, so if you go back and align it a little bit better, it will allow you to do that. Then at the end, I always detach a little bit of the piece, so it's like that. Want to make sure that the wax is hard before I pull it out, and then I hold her skin, then I pull it. That's fine if they didn't do it here, it's okay. So now we're gonna do the right side. Again, you get the wax, they go from the bottom, and then you start dragging the wax to where you want the eyebrows to be. You get the little tag, you hold the skin, and you pull. Towards me. Again, you wanna get like a tack, leave it like that. On the skin. So after you put the wax, you want to touch it just to make sure like the wax is completely hard and it's not sticky to your hands. Once you feel like it's very hard, you go and you pull. And that's it. Now I'm gonna go to the middle part. One thing we have to remember is once we wax one part of the area and we miss some hairs, we cannot reapply. We have to do it with the tweezers up. So I go all the way to, so I give it a couple seconds to dry. So I already did all the wax on the upper, lower, and in the middle. I have some extra hairs. So what I'm gonna do is using like a very precise tweezer. We're gonna get those extra hairs just to make sure it's very well. With the wax, we don't want to go too close because sometimes if you go too close, you kind of like take so much hair that you don't want to take. So it's better to like finish up always with the tweezers because you can finish the design properly, but you don't take the risk of taking too many hairs. So now that the eyebrows are waxed, I want to go back with my pencil and I'm gonna do a little bit of a shadow. And I'm gonna use the I Love Brow Concealer. Okay. What I'm gonna do with the concealer and the highlighter is just gonna finish the eyebrows so they look like wet makeup. I'm gonna clean the skin, so we take all the oils, makeup. Now I'm gonna get the wax. With the wax, I wanna use the small wood stick that comes with the kit. That one allows me to get more area. Make sure it's very cold. I hold her skin down, I get the tack, and then I you want to apply the Aftercare lotion. This is just to allow. You can put it in a little cotton pad. Then you just go like this. Some nourishing oils to the skin. And voila, we have it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you want to purchase the waxing kit, the link will be provided in the description box. If you already have tried the LLBA Waxing Kit, then please give us a comment and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for all the support and happy waxing! See you next time! Okay. Perfect.